There has been some local rainfall here, and the plains are much greener. Three months have passed since Coletta the cheetah lost one of her cubs to lions. Although the family has adjusted to the loss, Coletta remains ever vigilant. The three remaining cubs are thriving. Now 8 months old, they're nearly halfway on their journey to adulthood. Boisterous play builds and strengthens muscles, preparing them for their eventual independence at around 18 months old. Coletta joins in too, teaching them essential hunting skills. How to chase and trip up prey. But this lively trio are still too young to hunt, even though they're now fully weaned. It's all down to Coletta, and now she needs to find a meal every single day. A herd of Impala graze peacefully over the ridge. A cub follows Coletta, mimicking her mother's every move. The cub hangs back, watching and learning. The Impala have a keen sense of hearing and a strong sense of smell. Coletta stays downwind, waiting for the perfect moment. One Impala has drifted away from the herd. Coletta just needs to get close enough to trip the antelope up. Coletta can't rest for long. She knows other predators and scavengers in the area could arrive at any minute. As Anastasia heads off, Malka leads the newly formed splinter group back towards the river. The young mother's choice to leave the herd is a desperate response to the drought. But it's a high-risk move. They don't have Anastasia's experience. Only time will tell if they've made a fatal mistake. It's a blisteringly hot day in Naboisho. Fully fed, Coletta and the cubs rest in the shade. Old habits die hard, and one of the cubs tries to suckle. But his mother rolls away. At 8 months old, he's now lost all his milk teeth, and it's time to grow up. The cubs may stay with Coletta for another 10 months, after which she'll abandon them and they'll be forced to hunt for themselves. For now, they can play under their mother's watchful eye. But she's not in familiar territory. The Cheetah brothers are here. This is their patch, and they're particularly interested in visiting females. Coletta's unaware of the advance. The brothers are downwind of her. She falls on her back in submission. Her priority is to protect the cubs. But the boys have something else in mind. They sniff the ground where she's been to see if she's fertile. They're not sure, but pursue her anyway. Coletta's doing her best to keep them at bay. And the cubs bravely try to protect their mother. But there's no contest.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.